So, coming from somebody who went to fashion school in Nigeria and is now a fashion tutor, I'm going to give you a few tips that's going to help you to learn really fast in fashion school. Okay, a number of times, a lot of people say fashion school is tough, it's difficult. But if you stick around in this video, I'm going to give you three simple steps or even more about how to learn fast in fashion school. So, the first thing that you need to know is that going into fashion school, you need to have the right mindset. Do not have the mindset of everything is difficult. Do not have the right mindset of can I do it or I can do it, or they say it's difficult, or they say there's a lot of this, there's a lot of that. So just throw that all off. Just have a positive mindset that okay, I can do this thing, and then I can assure you that you are going to be able to get it done. Have a growth mindset that I want to improve, I want to get better at my skill, I want to learn fashion design the right way this time. Get the right attitude, and I can assure you that it is going to be like a walkover for you. The first step is to have a positive mindset. Now, the second step is a number of time. Fashion schools will give you your course outline. They will give you what you should expect with week one, what you should expect with two, what you should expect all the weeks. So ensure that you try to do research. Go on Pinterest, check out what the pattern look like even before you get to class. I know you don't know how to maybe draft the pattern, you don't know the illustration, but go online, see what it looks like. See what the pattern looks like so that when your tutor is telling you about it, then you have an idea of what your tutor is saying. Then it helps everything to sink in really fast. Okay. So do your research, learn about the topic of the week before you get into class. That way, when you get into class, it's really easy and it's going to be quite seamless for you to like understand. All right. So the third tip is have a positive attitude towards others. All right. So fashion school, you're going to meet a lot of people, you're going to make friends, you're going to build relationships, you're going to meet tutors, colleagues, a number of things that you're going to meet, a number of people that you're going to meet. And if you do not have the right attitude to others, you're going to run into problem with many other people because everybody we are from different places, and so just have the right attitude towards people, make friends, make relationships. That way, whatever you are being taught, somebody might understand it more than you. It could be easy for you to like meet with them so that they could put you through, explain to you from a perspective that will make you understand it even more than how your tutor has actually taught you. So have the right attitude towards others, be friendly, try to be in a good space with your colleagues and your classmates. All right. The next step I'm going to, okay, I said I'm going to give you three, but anyway, let's see how it goes. You know that this video is kind of a little bit unusual, and for now, I have my toddler here. He's still cooperating. So let's see if we could do maybe one or two more tips. Okay. Another way to learn really fast is for you to do assignments. A number of times, students complain that assignments are so much, and trust me, I want to let you know that those assignments are very important. If your tutor tells you that it's not compulsory you submit assignments and all that, your tutor is not going to help you. So ensure that you do the assignment and submit them when due. Okay, so the essence of fashion school giving you all those assignments, aside the academic wanting you to know all of those topics, they also want to push you because they know that you're going to get in a space where you need to meet up with your order when you're on your own, you're making a collection for yourself, and you need to just meet up with all of those things. So ensure that submit assignments when due is also going to help you learn faster. It's also going to help you build capacity and strength when you're on your own. Okay, when after you have left the fashion school and all that. So ensure that you do assignments. Whatever assignment you do, just know that this assignment is for my own good. It's for your own good because if you do not do the assignment, there's no way you will know that you actually know it. If you do not make the mistakes, there's no way your tutor will correct your mistakes. And if you do not make all of those mistakes, there's no way you're going to learn really more. There's no way you're going to understand it well if you do not do assignments. So if there's anything, I'm just going to beg you, ensure that you do assignments, ensure that you pay attention in class, ensure that you are actually there. Okay, so this is going to bring me to the last point. Okay, so be available. Ensure that you are available. Your fashion school wants to teach you a lot of things. Wants to teach you fabric techniques, want to teach you illustration, they want to teach you patterns, they want to teach you how to draft, they want to teach you a lot of things in the space of 3 to 4 months. Okay, they want to teach you things that they want you to learn in maybe like 5 years, compress it together into 4 months for you. Okay, so that is a lot. So you are going to do yourself good if you are available. When you are in fashion school is not when you want to take trips, it's not when you want to go on weekend trips and all of those things, because those weekends are actually meant for you to like use them to do assignments, reflect on what you have been taught in the last 1 week. So be available. And when you are in class, make sure that your mind is there. Make sure that you can see what the tutor is teaching you. Make sure that you can understand it. Ask questions. Just be available. Being available will help you a lot because there's no way you are putting in the energy, there's no way you're putting in the work that your tutor will not be available to answer your questions. But if you are the type that you are never in class, your tutor will be discouraged to even go extra mile for you. But if you are in class, you're always available and all of those things, then your tutor will want to go over and beyond to explain, to make sure that you know. All right. So the first thing I said is have a positive mindset. I also talked about having good relationship with your classmates, your friends. I also talked about going ahead to do research ahead of the class. I also talked about you being available. So all of these points will help you to understand everything fast. So if you would like me to do a part 2 of this, you want me to add more to this video, let me know. And if you have a few points that has helped you through fashion school, do well to drop it for me in the comments, and also do well to check out some of my sewing tutorials as well as my fabric beading tutorial. All right, so I'll see you again in this next videos.